No-cook noodle bowls. You don't need any special equipment and there's no chopping required. 3 cups of frozen chopped vegetables placed into a bowl with boiling water. Set aside. In a large bowl or pot, add your sauces. I've also added miso paste here. Add your rice noodles to the bowl. You're going to be adding about 400 grams or a large package. Drain the water off of the frozen veggies and add to the bowl, along with the sliced green onion, optional mushrooms, and your protein source. Add 4 cups of boiling water. Find a way to cover the bowl, or if you're using a pot, place the lid. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, give it a stir, and then place the lid back on for a couple minutes. If you're adding tofu, you can add it now. A hack for chopping any type of tofu is to drain it really well, leave it in the container, slice it, and then gently add it to your noodles. You have the option to add other flavor boosters here like toasted sesame seeds, lemon zest, or hot pepper. That's it, an easy no-cook noodle bowl recipe that makes at least 8 servings.